I would like to showcase a couple of midwifery resources, starting with MIDIRS. This is a midwifery digest and is a UK-based journal that provides summaries or digests of midwifery articles published in other journals, as well as including some original articles. To access MIDIRS, the best way is to go to the Midwifery LibGuide. And to do this, come to the Library tab in MySCU, select the Health and Human Sciences LibGuides in the left-hand column, and then choose Midwifery. Select the Journal Articles and Databases tab, and put your search terms in the search box for MIDIRS. Click on the search button, don't just hit the enter key. My search on cord clamping has come up with 26 results. I find the fastest way to identify whether the articles I'm looking at are original or review articles is to look at the number of pages. I'm guessing that this one is a review article. It's only 2 pages long. So click on the title. You can see that Maria Pearson has reviewed this particular article by Stuart Hooper et al. If you scroll down, you can see the summary or the review, and the full text of the original article will always be included in the list of references. If you wanted to access this particular article, the original article, you'd need to search for the journal title in either our library catalogue or our list of e-journals. And if you have any difficulty with this process, please don't hesitate to contact your liaison librarians. I'm just going to go back to the search results. MIDIRS does also include original articles. Again, click on the title. It uses the word original and gives author information. There is no reviewer details. The full text of the article is available, and either on the web or as a PDF. And at the top of the page is the citation or the information you need to cite this article. This is the title of the journal. We have the volume, issue, the year, the page numbers, and as showed earlier, the title of the article and the author. It is possible in MIDIRS to do some more searching within this journal. What you need to do is put your new search term in. I'll search for preeclampsia. You do, however, need to copy this information from the previous search. This will ensure that your terms are located within the MIDIRS journal. Just copy and that number .is and you can hit the search button. We now have 65 results for this particular topic. It's also possible to limit your search to publication year if you wish, and there are some additional limits. As well as searching within MIDIRS, excuse me, I'm just going to go back to our MIDIRS search box on the LibGuide. It's also possible to register your email address so that every time a new issue of the journal is published, you'll receive an email with the table of contents. This is a very handy way of keeping up with the current literature. In addition, there is an Australian equivalent of MIDIRS, and it's called the AU Midwifery Research Review. This is a newsletter that you can subscribe to. It too is provided by email, and we've put the link to the registration on our LibGuide. Use the login details here and subscribe from this page. As we've already mentioned, this is a review resource. If you need the full text of any of the original articles, you'll have to access them via the library, searching by the specific journal title. As always, if you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact your liaison librarians.